we've got some die-cast 24 scale.
This is from DDA.
And
DDA have just very recently released the really popular plastic model kits, haven't they? Of Australian cars.
they sold out. And they've come back.
Again? There you go. I didn't know that. There you go.
All right, so these are the kits that came out and sold out very quickly.
Yeah, but we've had about 3 restocks of them.
That's right.
They just keep turning over, don't they? People cannot get enough of them.
So there's a panel van coming next.
Yep, HJ.
Yep, and that's not far away. So look out for these if you've been waiting for them. They're back. Now these are the die-cast versions of the kits. Okay, so actually, what are these?
Aren't they smaller?
No, it's same scale.
Oh, same scale.
What's this?
What's that?
What is it? Trana.
Yeah, XG1, won't it? LJ.
Yeah. Well, this is actually the panel van, and this
LJ.
is what the kits are going to be next. They're going to look like that.
This is called Max's HJ panel van.
And there will be a plastic kit version of this.
Yeah, why
exactly
is Max? Who's Max?
I don't know. I think it's got to do with, is it Mad Max? I don't know. It's got all this stuff that sort of sits on the top.
Not sure.
Almost like a post-apocalyptic type of thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, these are the die-cast ones. So if you're not into building the kit,
yep,
you can get a die-cast one. The die-cast ones are slightly different in that they do have opening doors because the molds for the bodywork is different.
Oh.
So there is a little bit of extra benefit. But
you don't get to choose what color it is.
You don't. So if you want to do custom colors, then the kit's the way to go. So you got options now.
Options.
Plenty of options.
I love options. What's your favorite?
My favorite. I know the panel van's pretty cool.
Is it?
I like it.
What about the HQ custom? It looks like that Jack's. He did it. Maybe they stole his color. Is that the one that Jack did?
Oh yeah, it would have been.
HQ custom 4-door.
His color's a bit more orange.
Attitude, stance, and high horsepower.
Oh yeah, we like that.
There you go.
Australian muscle cars. There you go. All right, so that's all brand new. Look out for these. Just been released, these die-cast.
If they're anything like the plastic models, they will fly out the door.
Oh, absolutely.
Won't they?
Absolutely.